Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the Cambodian coleslaw. This Cambodian coleslaw will taste good on its own, or you can have it with grilled meat, barbecue meat, fried chicken, or even with any kind of meat you like to eat it with. And in today's video, I will show you step by step how easy it is to make the Cambodian coleslaw for you and your family at home. Okay, let's get started. The main ingredients that you will need, you'll need some cabbage, some cucumber, some garlic, some shallots, and some carrots. In these recipes, I'm going to show you that I'm going to use the whole head of cabbage. But if you only want to use half of it, you can also do that too. But sometimes it is better to make lots because you can always save them in the fridge. After you cut the cabbage in half, you're going to cut the middle part, the hard part of the cabbage out. And after you cut the hard part out, you can clean both of them, or you can only choose to clean half of it and save the other half in the refrigerator. And just like I said, I'm going to use the whole cabbages, and so I'm going to clean it, and after I'm going to show you how you can thinly slice them. You're going to cut the cabbage in half again so you can easily slice them. After you cut the cabbage in half, you're going to put it flat on the board, and after you're going to use a really sharp knife to thinly slice the cabbages. In this clip, the knife is not that sharp, so as you can see, it is harder to slice it. And in this clip here, the knife is more sharper, so then you can easily slice the cabbages and it would be faster also. It is going to be a lot of cabbages after you slice them, so you're going to need a big container or a big bowl so you can put the cabbage that already sliced. And in the end, you will have this little piece left. And from beginning, I remember when I just started to make them, I wasn't sure how I'm going to thinly slice them. And here is how you can thinly slice the rest of it. You can stack up the layers of the cabbages that is left over, and after you're going to thinly slice them. Don't worry if you cannot slice the same thickness. It doesn't matter, it is homemade, it is going to be good, and you can have fun with it. And you will notice after you finish slicing half of the cabbages, you will see lots of cabbages in the bowl, but don't worry, it will shrink down after you put in the sodium. We're going to use 2 carrots, so you're going to peel it and after clean it with cold water. After you clean both carrots, you're going to shred the carrots by using the julienne peeler. Shredding it with the julienne peeler will give a longer strand of the carrot that you are shredding. You're going to shred the carrot until you cannot shred the carrot anymore, and after we're going to cut it in half and thinly slice them. I will show you in a bit. And after you're going to put those shredded carrots in the plate for now, and after I'm going to show you how you can cut a different design. Sometimes as you are shredding the carrot, it is harder to shred toward the end, so what I did, I'm going to cut it in half, and after I'm going to thinly slice them, just like the daikon salad that I made the other day. You will also see this design when you thinly slice the carrots. You can also slice the carrot whole. You don't have to cut them in half, just like I do it. After you finish with the carrots, you're going to put the carrot in the same bowl as the cabbages. And as you can see, the whole cabbage, it is this big bowl as you can see here. But this amount of cabbage and carrot will get shrink down after we put some salt in. So if you choose to make only half of the cabbage, you're only going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. But this one, I put 2 teaspoons of salt. You're going to use your hand to squeeze the cabbage and the salt together. So this way, the salt will shrink the cabbage and the carrot down. The salt will make the cabbage and the carrot softer, and you will see in a bit that it will shrink down. After a couple minutes of squeezing the cabbage, you can leave it on the side for now. After you finish cleaning the cucumber, you're going to cut the cucumber just like I do. The length of it is about 1.5 inches. You can also cut it longer too. It doesn't have to be exact the same way like I show you. And after, we're going to cut the cucumber in half in that one short log. And after, you're going to thinly slice them just like that. In this recipe, I'm using 1 whole cabbage, 1 whole cucumber, and 2 whole carrots. After you thinly slice a cucumber, you can let it sit on the side for now while we get all the other ingredients ready. I already thinly sliced the garlics, and here is the shallot. You're going to cut them, and then you're going to thinly slice them. You can choose to put 1 red chili or more, that is up to you. In this recipe that I'm showing you, I'm going to put 1 red chili. And next, I will show you all the ingredients to make the Asian coleslaw. 1/4 cup of fish sauce or 60 milliliters. 1/3 cup of white vinegar or 75 milliliters. You can add the garlic and the shallot and the red pepper in for now before we add all the other ingredients in. You're going to mix and stir for 1 minute, and after you're going to add all the other ingredients. If you don't like the strong taste of the garlic and the shallot, you can add it in this order. But if you don't mind the strong smell of the garlic and the shallot, you can add it last, it doesn't matter. 1 cup of room temperature boiled water or filter water. 1/2 cup of sugar or 100 grams. Stir and dissolve the sugar. And again, if you like to make less, you can mix exactly the same sauce. And after, if you're only going to make half of the cabbage, you're going to pour only half of it in. But in this recipe, I'm going to pour the whole thing in because we are making the whole cabbage or 2 pounds of cabbages. The method that I'm showing you, it is going to be faster because I'm only using just enough salt to soften the cabbage, so this way we do not need to rinse the cabbage with water after. Now you can add in the sauce, all the sauce that we made earlier. I have tried a different method before when I have to rinse the cabbage out to get rid of the salt, but this way I find it is faster and it is less messy. Now you can add all the cucumbers that we cut up. And next, we're going to use our hand to combine all the ingredients together. You can choose to wear gloves or not wear gloves, that is up to you. You can also use a firm stirring stick to combine all the ingredients together if the amount that you are making it is less. After you evenly combine all the ingredients together, you can give it a taste, and if you like it, you can leave the way it is, but if you like it a bit more sour, you can add 1 more tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, that is all to it on how you can make the Cambodian coleslaw for you and your family at home. I hope this video will help you to make a really delicious coleslaw for you to eat with any kind of meat or eat it by itself. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious homemade recipes. After you finish making the coleslaw, you can pour into a big container, and after, cover it with the lid. You can store it in the refrigerator up to 10 days. And to make sure that you don't miss any of my future videos, don't forget to press the notification bell so you get notified for all my future videos. And here is the Asian grilled pork patty. I'm going to show you in my next video. So don't forget to follow me on my next video. I will show you how you can make a delicious Asian pork patty. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye for now.